Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special, beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Beautiful and different ideas. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Most demanding and daily use collection. Some are crochet step style, leather step style, wooden handle, metal handle, chain step style. Very nice, beautiful ideas, different colors, beautiful color contrast. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet handbag ideas. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, beautiful amigurumi toys, different ideas. So please like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Beautiful designing, most demanding collection. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.